In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to search inside Notion. By the end, you'll know the two quickest ways to find anything you need, whether it's a page, a database, or a specific line of text on the page you're looking at. First, open your browser and head to notion.com. Once you're there, click Login and sign into your workspace. Being logged in is important because the search features we're about to use look through your own workspace content. This works the same whether you're on the web or the desktop app, so use whichever you prefer. Let's start with the fastest way to search across your entire workspace. Press Ctrl or Ctrl plus P on your keyboard. If you're on a Mac, use Command plus P. This opens Notion's quick search. Think of it as your spotlight for everything: pages, text inside pages, databases, and titles. As soon as you start typing a keyword, Notion begins showing results instantly. You can use the arrow keys to move through the list and press Enter to open the item you want. If you know your page title, type it directly. If you're looking for a concept or a phrase that appears inside a page, just type a few distinctive words. The more specific your keywords, the better your results. You'll often see the most relevant and recently opened pages rise to the top, which makes it great for jumping back into ongoing work. Now, when you only need to find something on the page you're currently viewing, use a different shortcut. Press Ctrl or Ctrl plus F. On a Mac, that's Command plus F. A small search box appears and Notion highlights every match within the page. Press Enter to jump to the next match and Shift plus Enter to go back. This is perfect for scanning long documents, meeting notes, or databases you've opened without leaving the page. If your page includes toggles or nested content, Notion will expand the sections with matches so you can see exactly where your terms appear. To recap, use Ctrl plus P for a powerful workspace-wide search that surfaces pages, databases, titles, and text across everything you have access to. Use Ctrl plus F to quickly locate text on the page in front of you. Both shortcuts are simple, fast, and designed to keep you moving without breaking your focus. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more straightforward Notion tips.